You know, I didn't always know say dunce. And I am positive now because
No.
wait no, because 2 years ago we did this.
Yes.
And you did not third farm. And
No.
you still not third farm. 3
No.
years ago.
No, Wilma's wear this all the way up to fifth form. A C-sec
so you
mega
know
tech now.
Oh, when me done C-sec.
Yeah, you're supposed to. You're supposed to graduate. You're still there at school. I'm going to him all on me. He make me come catch him up back.
No,
He might take 1 C-sec per year.
This is the sixth farm uniform.
Neville do 1 C-sec per year. Poor Marbell.
Yeah, can you show the 2015 picture, please, that I have graduated
School for your ways.
from fifth farm or fourth, whichever farm we did at 2015.
School for your
I am now
ways.
in sixth. Look at that.
Watch that. You see?
Eh?
Me did in a third farm.
You know, send me a grow back here, man. Me love that.
Look on him. For you see, his son no work now go on to school, you know?
I look for you.
Very studious. Look at that. If I
But
want to hear the
what
audio.
we talk about. Here what we talk about. 3 years ago, and I don't think she get them right. But
I
as you
take
can
2
see,
C-sec in a fourth farm.
folks, as you could see, run it again, make we hear
phone
what
at
I want.
school.
Hey folks, good morning and welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. It is Thursday, August 13. We have a great show. We have a kind of merchant show this morning, a little schoolers show.
Schoolers.
Going back to school, so we have lots of stuff to tell you about because it's almost time to go back to school. It's not really almost time. It's probably still close to a month.
School.
Yeah, because early September school starts. Yeah, 3 weeks, close to a month before. So don't start fret when you see this and say, oh, tomorrow I forgot school. No, you still have a
But
few
the
weeks.
parents are out now getting uniforms and books and bags and shoes.
So we welcome our friends on onespotmedia.com. Same thing, me I said, Twitter, and yes.
Snapchat at Smile Jam TVJ. Wilma's STG.
Again.
Ad Majorem Dei Gloriam, to the greatest glory of God.
The greater glory. I said the greatest.
What are we
Actually,
here thing wrong?
actually, I never say it right because it's not the greatest. The greater glory.
Anyway.
of God. By the way,
Me take 2 C-sec in a fourth farm. Now I'm in fifth farm. I'm embarking on 8 more. Neville, I take them 1 per year.
no.
By next year, I would be in upper 6.
I am already there.
But a long time it take you to reach the door.